Hey guys, just have some cleaning motivation for you today. I have to clean up this whole downstairs as well as our new outdoor eating area and throw in some cloth diaper laundry. So if you want some motivation, just follow along. I've been loving this Grove Collaborative glass spray bottle. I just fill it up with my Mrs. Meyer's or Method cleaning spray, and it looks much nicer on my counter, and it also reduces waste because I just buy the big refills. I got the ceramic tray at Grove Collaborative a couple weeks ago and I've absolutely been loving it. It keeps my counter way cleaner. I used to have issues with the countertop getting all wet from my dish soap and everything, and this has solved the problem. I'm not sponsored by Grove Collaborative at all. I just absolutely love it. They price match everything and the shipping is super fast. If you're thinking about ordering from Grove Collaborative, I'd love for you to use my referral link below. If you do, you get a 5-piece gift set. I got this essential oil diffuser a while back and I haven't used it in a couple of months, and there's hard water buildup in the bottom of it, so I'm just cleaning that out and filling it up. I love using the sweet orange essential oils. It really is just fresh for when I'm cleaning up the house. My stove is a huge mess. I need to do a baking soda and vinegar treatment on it to get off all of these black and brown stains. But for now, I'm just gonna clean up the extra food and get it as good as I can, because most days that's just good enough. Now I'm just starting the main wash of my cloth diaper laundry. If you're interested, I have a whole video on how I wash my cloth diapers. I will leave a link for that video below. And I'm just going to finish up by straightening a few things that were in the living room. We're going swimming after my girls wake up, so I'm just getting all of their swimming stuff ready. I hope you guys found this helpful, and thanks for watching. Make sure, if you haven't already, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.